How to change your PayPal email address. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we will see how we will be able to change our PayPal email address. So go ahead and open your browser and in the search bar type PayPal. Click on the first link. You will be directed to the home page of PayPal. Once you're here, tap on the three horizontal line at the left corner of the screen. Then click on the setting option as shown in the screen. Once you're on this page, scroll down and you will see the option of email. Over here, you'll have two options with you. So first of all, go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on edit. Once you do that, you will see your existing email address. If you want to change this email address, type in that and then click on confirm. But if you don't want to delete your existing email address and want to add another, go ahead and tap on add and then type in the email address that you want to add and then click on confirm, and that's it. You will be able to change your PayPal email address like that. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.